No more expensive closed solutions. Don't get caught up in digitization, because locked solutions come to an end, which were expensive and time-consuming to implement. We make short, fast and affordable deployments, and you can start at any time and with anything. It is a system of short steps, sprints, where at the end of the years you will find out that you have run a marathon. In this, digitization and the Worksys offering are specific and unique. Every customer has a number of already integrated system tools at their disposal. He has the opportunity to do many things himself, according to his ideas and requirements, which gives him complete flexibility. Everything is ready and no additional IT power is needed. You don't need to pay external IT specialists when you need to create charts or make other visual adjustments in your reports. Connectivity and integrability is based on the ability to take advantage of existing standards, whether technological, communication, or IT. We guarantee openness and thus easy connectivity of third-party solutions, full-fledged communication between devices, data collection, and transmission of automatically collected or calculated data on the platform. The customer buys only the necessary HW needed for automated data collection. The ecosystem of solutions and partner selection is in the hands of the customer, and not the system. He decides who the customer chooses as a partner of the partial solution. We do not impose our own solutions on customers. On the contrary, we recommend and offer several solutions for each area, and the customer chooses in terms of price and performance. We integrate everything that the customer already uses and uses into the system, and it becomes an integral part of the digital ecosystem. No large initial investment and money is required to install the system, because the customer buys it as a service, and within a few days can start using and enjoying the benefits. SaaS, PaaS, IaaS, DaaS, XaaS, no big one-time investments, and everything is offered as a service. The cloud is according to the client's choice and fully respects the customer's requirements. We will guide and direct the customer through the entire process, from the selection of suitable tailor-made solutions to support in the final phase and the deployment itself. Digitization is not a sprint, but a marathon. Find your digital guru, choose a digital engineer, and the whole process of digitization is yours. This is evolution, not revolution.